Tricia, looks like it's planting time here.
Danny, it's always a good time to get some seedlings started in a flat before you put them out in the ground.
Now, what are some tips that can really help our viewers make this successful for them? Because it seems as if it's just putting a little soil in, planting, keeping it wet, and that's all that's to it. But how can you help us out?
Gelatin. You thought I was making lunch?
Well, I like Jell-O now.
Well, gelatin has nitrogen in it, which helps form the green leaves and make the plant strong. And then the sugar in the gelatin helps feed the microbes in the soil that help protect the plant from disease. So what we do is use a salt shaker and sprinkle some of the gelatin into the soil along with your seedlings right at the same time.
So that's all that's necessary, just that little bit in there.
Just that little bit. Then what you want to do is keep the flat damp, and I'm just spraying a little bit on to start, but I've already pre-dampened a paper towel, and you're going to put this over the flat and keep it in an area about 65 to 75 degrees.
Now, what about the sunshine not getting to it? You really have to have that sunshine to pull those seeds out, don't you?
Sunshine will come through a little bit, but what you want to do is, as I said, keep this damp, check it every day for growth, and when you see that some green growth has come up, you're going to remove the towel, keep it damp, and then when the plants are looking pretty strong, that's a good time to put them out in the soil.